Hi, my name is Naveen, and I'm here to give a testimonial on Nick's project management course. So, when I was looking for a project management course, I was looking for something that is very practical and very interactive and less theoretical. I must say that this course falls into that category. So, when I joined Nick's project management course, I got access to his training material, and I realized that it has been put together very well. The training material is very crisp and concise and to the point and easy to understand. The training videos are very well made, and the student is able to understand the concepts very well because of this. And the highlight of Nick's project management course is his weekly project management workshops. So these workshops are very interactive. You get to talk to him directly, clear your doubts, ask questions, and things like that. So when you go through the training material and attend the weekly project management workshops, it helps a student to understand the overall concept very well and understand project management in the right way. So to anybody who wants to break into project management, I would recommend this course to them.